Isang masayang pagbati na may ngiti sa aking mga labi. Naghahanap ba kayo ng makakatuwang sa pag-review ng inyong anak? Meron yan sa DepEd. Ang ETUlay online tutorial ay libre at handog ng ating kagawaran sa pangunguna ng OUA ICTS EdTech. Ito ay isang proyektong makatutulong sa mga mag-aaral, katuwang ang mga magulang o kasama sa kani-kanilang tahanan para masagutan at maunawaan ang mga modules. Hangad din ng programang ETUlay ang matulungan ang ating mga guro sa kanilang mga blended learning classes. Ang ating ETUlay ay mula kinder hanggang senior high school. Bukod sa academics, meron din tayong mga special programs gaya ng All is Wellness, Reading and Math Remediation, Storytelling, Mommy Tech Talks, Classes sa Gramatika, Speech Class, Financial Literacy, at marami pang iba. Pinalawig din ng ETUlay ang ating Alive program para sa mga mag-aaral mula grade 1 hanggang grade 3. Gayun din ay mayroon tayong ALS program at SPED tutorials na makasisigurong makakamit ng lahat ang inclusive education. May SPED hotline na rin para sa inyong mga katanungan patungkol sa special education. Kaya, subaybayan mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, mula 9 ng umaga hanggang 7 ng gabi ang ating ETUlay. Sa ating pagtutulungan, maiaangat natin ang bawat isa. Ating itutulay ang pagkatuto upang di mapigil ang pag-aaral ng kabataang Pilipino. Itulay natin ito, sulong edukalidad.
Mabuhay! Good day to all! I am your tutor Madge. Welcome to ETUlay, a free online tutorial, an initiative of the Department of Education, Information and Communications Technology Service, Educational Technology Unit, ICTS EdTech. This program is aimed at helping and assisting learners from kindergarten, senior high school, ALS, Alive and SPED learners. Aside from answering the modules, the ETUlay is offering programs which you will surely look forward to. Together with our parents and teachers, the ETUlay will bridge the gaps where difficulty and ease meet in learning new knowledge and skills. So, let us prepare our modules, pen and paper. Ready your mind to see and hear worthwhile and interesting lessons. Let us now study and learn, together with our volunteer online tutors. Tara na!
Hello, hello, hello mga ka-ETUlay. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Mula Luzon hanggang Mindanao, pati na rin sa buong mundo dahil ang DepEd ETU ay hashtag ETUlay Level Up na. We still have episodes na tiyak kagigiliwan ng mga kids. Ang mga tutors natin ay may inihanda mga sorpresa para sa inyo. At dahil level up na talaga tayo, bukod sa mga live episodes, mapapanood nyo rin kami ang inyong mga paboritong tutors sa TV, sa channel IBC 13.
Ang ating Math Remediation program from grade 4 to grade 6 ay makakasama ninyo kami mga math sayahit, math ganggat ng tutors every Wednesday, 10:30 to 11 a.m.
All the way to the land of Lapu-Lapu, si Tutor Mel.
Hello! Good morning, kids!
Good morning,
Alright,
Tutor
at mula,
Mel.
good morning, Tutor Tolen! At mula naman sa lugar ng sikat na bamboo organ in Las Piñas, si Tutor Tolen! Good morning,
hello.
Tutor Tolen!
You can watch us live here at our FB pages, DepEd EdTech Unit and DepEd Tayo.
Yes, you can also watch us simultaneously and has a replay in our YouTube channels, DepEd ETUlay, DepEd Philippines, DepEd EdTech Unit, and DepEd TV. At dahil talagang hashtag level up itulay na tayo, you can also watch us in our Facebook pages, DepEd Itulay, and DepEd, and in our YouTube channel, DepEd Itulay. You may scan these codes for your Itulay wonderful
So
experience.
what are you waiting for, kids, parents, guardians, and teachers? Do support us by clicking the subscribe button, notification bell for updates, and you will surely learn from all of our DepEd ETUlay episodes from kinder to senior high school in all subjects.
Yes, that's correct. And we are also happy to tell you, kids, that DepEd Itulay Facebook group has now 71,100 members and counting. Wow! So what are
Wow!
you waiting for? Yes, do follow, like, and be a member too para updated ka sa mga bagong episodes dahil talagang hashtag level up na ang DepEd Itulay.
Oh, Tutor Mel,
Yay!
para tayong 7-Eleven yan 24
Oh,
hours bukas at ready to serve. Kaya nakakatuwa at nakakataba ng puso talaga ang pagsubaybay at participation ninyo mga kids. We would also like to invite everyone to join Safer Internet for Day for Children and
cyber wellness for teachers.
so kids, remember to have we have to
Yes,
keep safe in cyberspace, di ba, Tutor Mel? So number one, keep personal info to yourself. Everything can be made public on the internet. So avoid spreading personal information.
tama. And also, don't forget to check your privacy settings. Always look through your web browsers and make the appropriate changes to your settings.
And number three, be mindful of what you download. Make sure what you are putting in your system is safe, secure, and authenticated or authorized by you.
Yes, and be wary of your friends because kids, it's very easy to lie online. So, dapat you have to make sure you know who are you talking to, okay? And they
Number
have to be
five,
thoughtful about themselves.
yes,
Yes.
of course, Tutor Mel. And number five, kids, get a good antivirus program. An antivirus program keeps unwanted application from infiltrating your system. So kids, let's make the
Let's make the
internet
internet safe
safe for
for
all.
all.
So shout out kay
Yes.
Sofia Cabaluna, kay Fausto Marx, kay Louie Rivas, kay Syra Akia, and kay Kyle Angelo. And Tutor Mel, Beshi Mel, alam mo ba napakaganda ng ating tandem kaya gustong gusto rin nating pasalamatan ang lahat ng mga nasa likod at harap ng DepEd ETUlay Tutor second quarter Recognition Day last February 26. Sobrang nagulat ako, Beshi.
Oo nga, Beshi. Thank you so much for the Excellence Award in Content Knowledge and Audience Report that you have given us. Hindi lang ang mga bata ang pinasaya ng mga direktor, mga program heads, lalong-lalo na mga program heads ng special program, sina Tutor Ezra, Tutor Roma, kasama ang project lead natin na si Principal Madge. Pati tayong mga tutors ay na-recognize nila. Kaya super excited ako every Wednesday, Tutor Tolen.
Yan, correct ka dyan,
Thank
Tutor
you.
Mel. We are so blessed and thank you so much, everyone. And at this time, Tutor Mel, we would like to congratulate all the winners in the recently concluded National Arts Month 2022 with the team Sining ng Pag-asa.
Yes. Congratulations
Sa
to
mga sa mga sumali sa solo instrument, sa ating ano pa yung mga activities na sinalihan ng mga cuties natin, poster making, and then we also
yes,
have
congratulations.
watercolor painting, and we also have yan, photo essay.
Yes. Tutor Tolen, may napansin ka ba sa mga winners ng National Arts Month?
Ano yun, Tutor Mel? Besides tayo ay nagagalak ngayong araw na to.
Yes, kasi out of 9 contestants, one boy lang ang nanalo and 8 girls won. It means almost 89% of girls dominated the contest.
Wow! Talaga ba, Tutor Mel? It only
Yes.
shows that we, girls and women, are empowered already, that we could do what boys and men do. Kids, we are happy to tell you that this month we are celebrating women. Okay? We are celebrating National Women's Month. Full support ang DepEd ETUlay sa ating mga babae.
Yes, that is true, Tutor Tolan. This year's theme is We Make Change, Work for Women. Iwagayway ang bandila ng mga kababaihan. Hashtag
Yeah.
Women Make Change.
Yes. So okay, kung handa na ang lahat, i-ready na ang lapis at papel at tayo ng mat-aral, matuto at mat-enjoy.
Yes, and our lesson for this week is all about percent, fraction, and decimal.
And at the end of our tutorial, you will be able to visualize percent and its relationship to fractions, ratios, and decimal numbers using models.
Yes, but before that, Tutor Tolan, let's have a review of our past lesson. Okay? So, kids, percent comes from the phrase percentum, which means for every 100, which is usually the amount per 100.
We use the symbol percent to represent it, which means that it is a ratio of a number to 100. Sabi nga sa mga commercial ng sabon, soap kills 99% of germs. Naku, Tutor Mel, lagi na ako magsasabon para lagi akong malinis.
Yes. You would see that ito ang soap advertisement. So, you would see kids that we have an illustration here that the shaded part of the illustration shows 99%. At saka yung unshaded part is only 1%. Yes. And the shaded part, if we compare it to 100, it's 99 out of 100. Read as 99%. And this is the way we write it, 99 and then the percent sign. For the unshaded part, there is only one here. So it's out of 100, 1%. And this is the way we write it, 1 and the symbol percent.
Wow, Tutor Mel. It means that the soap is efficient enough that every time we use it, it kills 99 out of 100 or
Only,
99% of germs. And
yes.
1 out of 100 or 1% of germs is left. Ganyang sabon na ang bibilin ko, Tutor Mel, para palaging tanggal halos lahat ng germs sa katawan ko.
Yes, dapat maging masuri tayo sa pagbasa ng mga labels or product labels ng
Mga
ng mga
products, no? Mga
yes,
ginagamit
correct.
natin.
Yes,
So,
tama.
saka last time, Tutor Mel, di ba, tinuruan natin sila ng dalawang methods. Ano ba yung unang method, Tutor Mel?
Yes, kids. The first method, if we want to convert a fraction to its percent form, all we have to do is to multiply the denominator with a number that will make it into 100. And whatever you multiply to the denominator will also be the same number that you will multiply to the numerator. So, for example, we have 20 out of 50. So what percent is given in the following situation? To make the denominator 50 into 100, we just have to multiply it by 2. So 50 times 2 is equal to 100. And kids, whatever we multiplied to the denominator will also be the same number we will be multiplying to the numerator. So 20 times 2 is equal to 40. Now, 20 out of 50 is equal to 40 out of 100 can be written as 40%, and we can also write it as 40 with the percent sign. Okay, so
Yan.
how about the
Yes.
second method, Tutor Tolen?
Yes. Yung second method naman na tinuro natin sa kanila last week is to convert a fraction to its percent form using the long division method. So sa long division, for example, Shaina Venice and Jason Paracad Francisco, if you are given 2/8, okay, and you are asked what percent is given in the following situation, all you have to do is to divide 2 divided by 8. Okay, so 2 divided by 8 cannot be. So 0 times 8 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down 0 or add 0. And then once you added 0, you have to put a decimal point. Okay? So 20 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. Bring down again 0. Kasi continuous division tayo, ha? Hailey and Jason. So 40 divided by 8 is 5. So 5 times 8 is 40. So 40 minus 40, 0. So you will have a decimal answer of 25 hundredths. So if you are going to write it down as a fraction, it is also equivalent to 25 over 100. Or we can write it as a percent kasi yun ang hinihingi sa inyo. So write down 25 and then use percent sign. Tama, Tutor Mel?
Yes. Yes, napakadali lang, kids. You just have to remember the techniques. Either method 1 or method 2 yung gagamitin niyo. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So mga kids, this time we will try to visualize the relation between a percent, fraction, and decimal numbers. Okay? So first, let's visualize the fraction 23 out of 100. So 23 out of 100, if we convert it into decimal, it's 23 hundredths. And if we write it in percent, it's 23%.
Yan. Another example would be if we are going to visualize a fraction 4 over 100. So it is read as 4 out of 100. So Martin Angel, kapag kinonvert natin siya sa decimal, we will be having 4 hundredths. And then in percent, so we will just write 4 and then write down the percent sign.
Yes,
So,
correct.
siguro nakuha ni SJ yan, no, Tutor Mel.
Yes. So
Okay.
this time, kids, tuturuan namin kayo how to change percent as a decimal, okay? So, percent is a ratio of a number to 100. So pag sinabi natin 23%, it's the ratio between 23 to 100. Okay, so we will use the shortcut method, kids.
Wow, shortcut kids.
Yes.
Tingnan ninyo kung
So,
paano ituturo ni Tutor Mel yan.
yes. To convert the percent to decimal, all we have to do, kids, is to remove the percent symbol. Then move. Okay, so we will remove the percent symbol. Ilalagay lang natin 23. Then move 2 decimal places to the left. So let's count. 1, 2. Okay, so magiging 0.23. All right, or we can read it as 23 hundredths.
Yan, ang galing ni Daniel sa ni Aubrey, and si Sarah Marie. Yan, very good.
Yes, napakadali lang, Tutor Tolen.
Yan, tama. Tama si Martin, saka si Daniel, si Sunny, si Cassandra Bravo. Yan. Another example, Tutor Mel.
Yes, another example. Let's have 15%. So kids, we are going to remove the percent symbol again, okay? And then write 15, move 2 places to the left. Okay, so 1, 2. So yung decimal point nandito na. Alright. And then, lalagyan natin ng 0 sa whole number part. So we read this as 15 hundredths.
Wow.
Yes.
Kayang-kaya yan ni Ninya Lynn, si Net, saka ni Faith, Agatha, Tutor Mel. Ayan, si Heavenly Heart, oh. Tama ang sagot ni Heavenly Heart. Kaso kay Heavenly Heart, ang binigay niya, fraction. So, Heavenly, tuturuan din namin kayo how to change percent as a fraction. So, kanina, how to change percent as a decimal. Ngayon naman, fraction naman, Tutor Mel. So, paano ba natin
Yes.
gagawin yan? So, if we are going to have a percent, or let's say, we have 87%. So, to convert this percent number to a fraction, remove the percent symbol, okay? And then write the number as the numerator. Since we are talking about percent, di ba sabi, it's per percentum or per 100. So, ang denominator natin, automatic 100. So, this 87% now is equivalent to 87 over 100, or it can be read as 87 out of 100. Yan. O another example, Tutor Mel, para mas maintindihan nila. Okay. O, let's say
Yes.
we have 75%. 75%. So, 75 becomes your numerator. So, unang-una ha, mga kids, tanggalin nyo muna yung percent symbol. Gawin nyo munang whole number, yung 75%. So, 75, since we have a percent, we will over it by 100. Okay? Kung fraction siya, remember, mga kids, sabi namin sa inyo, kapag fraction ang hinihingi sa inyo, your final answer should always be the lowest term. Tama, Tutor Mel? So, yung
Yes.
75 saka 100, i-divide natin siya sa number na pareho na pwede natin ma-lowest term. So, ang i-divide natin sa 75 is 25. So, kung ano yung dinivide natin sa numerator, yun din ang di-divide ninyo sa denominator. So, ang lowest term ng 75 over 100 is 3/4. So, our final answer now is 3/4. So, ang 75% is equivalent to 3/4. Oh,
Yes.
mga
Very
kids,
good.
bigyan nyo nga kami ng heart dyan sa comment kung naintindihan ninyo how to convert percent to decimal and percent to fraction. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa guided practice, Tutor. Ayan! Thank you, Gia! Thank you, Andre! Ayan! Oh, smiley, smiley! Ayan, very good. Thank you sa inyo. Let's have guided practice, Tutor Mel.
Yes, guided practice. Number 1. Change percent to decimal. So 70%. What would be the
Wow,
decimal
ang dami.
value for 70%?
Ang daming heart sa star ni Martin and Dave, ha? Okay. So, we will be giving you 10 seconds lang, mga kids, kasi napakadali lang ng lesson natin. So, 10 seconds lang, ha, sa bawat number.
Yes, 10 seconds.
Hello, Andre. Hello, Shay. Hello, Sax. Si Sakli yan, David, ang early bird natin kanina. Yan.
Wow.
So, Tutor Mel, anong sagot dyan? Kung
Yes.
decimal yan.
70% kids. Yung technique natin, we just have to remove the percent symbol. Okay. And then move 2 places to the left. So 70% can also be written as 0.70 or 70 hundredths. Yay!
Tutor Mel, pwede rin ba yung sagot ni Alexis Nathan kanina na oy, Lian Galang ha, Tama yan sagot ni Lian Dal. Pwede rin ba yung sagot ni sino nga ba yun? Si Alexus? Si Alexis Nathan, yung ang sagot niya kanina, 0.7 or 7/10. Pwede rin ba yun,
Yes.
Tutor Mel?
Yes, kahit lagyan mo pa ng maraming zero do, it doesn't change the place value of the number. Yes, very good. Na-apply pala nila yung
Yung lesson
learnings nila
natin.
last.
Yes.
Yes, very good, kids.
Let's have another
Yes.
problem, Tutor Mel. Another
Yes.
percent number.
Yes,
Okay.
heart naman dyan, kids. If you were able to get it, yay.
Ang dami
So,
ni Rian Janine Gorospe. Ang daming heart.
yes.
Okay.
Sige, number 2, Tutor Tolen, go.
Let's have 32%. Change this percent number to fraction. So we will be giving you 10 seconds to give your final answer. Comment your answer on our comment section.
Yes, comment on the chat box. Shout out kay Michael Divar, Isaiah.
And hello kay Josh Toring. Hello. Ayan.
Yes.
So ang sagot dito, since 32%, over lang natin siya sa 100. And then, you should have an answer in its lowest term. So kung i-over natin ang 32 sa 100, ang common factor nila would be 4. Very good. 4 ang kanilang greatest common factor. So we will divide 4 on both the numerator and denominator. So ang final answer natin dapat is 8/25. O, tingnan nga natin kung sino mga nakasagot ng 8/25. Ayan.
Very
Ayan.
good.
Very good. Very good, Daniel, Brent, San Diego. Ayan. Saka si Eti Bohas. Ang galing. Very good.
Yes.
Ayan,
Napakahusay.
si Shanala, si Anray, ayan, si Louie Rivas, si Alexis Nathan. Yan, very good mga
Yes,
anak.
very good.
Let's have another example, Tutor Mel.
Yes, heart naman dyan, kids. Okay.
Heart.
All right, let's have another example. Number 3. This time, kids, we are going to change the percent to decimal and fraction. So, 16%. Yes, dalawa na. Change this to decimal and also change this to fraction. Don't forget, kids, always reduce your answer to its lowest terms for fraction.
O, 10 seconds
Yes.
lang ha, kids. Already. Say hello kay Mika, kay Daniel Brent San Diego, kay Faith, Agatha Kulala.
Yes. Let's find out, Tutor Tolen.
Okay. So 16%, you just remove the percent sign and then move to decimal places on the left. So you have 16 hundredths. And then for the fraction, you have 16/100 and the reduced answer is 4/25. Ayan, Tutor Mel.
Yay!
Ang galing ni Ana Isla. Ayan, si Alexis ulit. Very good,
Wow,
Alexis.
very good.
Ang galing. Si Louie Rivas, si Aubrey Madison. Ayan, very good. Martin Angel Dave. Si Martin, may tonsillitis yan, pero umaten. Very good si Martin. Si
Wow.
Shane Cyrus Panes Abale. Very good ang mga sagot ninyo. Ang galing-galing naman, kids.
Yes,
Napaka-
nakaka-proud.
Yes, napakahusay
naman
talaga.
dyan.
Napakahusay talaga ng mga tutis natin, Tutor Mel.
Yes, nakaka-proud. Very good, kids.
Ayan, Tutor Mel.
Yes, math.
Yan. Let us congratulate each of our tutors who are 100% participating and posting their work in Gawa Ko, Post Ko.
That's correct, Tutor Tolen. Congratulations to Ria Janine L. Goroste, Grade 4B, ng Concepcion Elementary School, SDO, Pampanga. Wow! Yes, and also to Heavenly Heart Youth Tanggihan, Grade 4 Peridon ng San Davao.
Yes.
Wow! Yes.
And we also have, ayan, si Joyce and si Manuel, grade 4 Uranus of San Pedro Villa Concepcion Elementary School, SDO Isabela. Next time, anak, pakita mo rin sa amin ha kung paano mo na-solve yung problem. And then we also have, si Clyde, Liam, Mangilinan. Grade 4, Bonifacio of Dila Dila, Santa Rita Elementary School, SDO Pampanga. Na-miss natin si, Tutor Mel, si Clyde. At ang binigay niya sa atin ay 60% at hindi yung total number of visitors. So sa concert natin last week na 90 yung ating visitors, malamang puro kamag-anak natin yung umattend, Tutor Mel. Ayan.
Yes, supportive.
Yan. Thank you daw, sabi ni Ria Janine Gorospe. Thank you sa mga math gagandang tutors. Ay, thank you. Thank you, Ria.
Yes.
Okay. We also have
Martin Angel Dave Nagom Presta ng Grade 5 Venus, Gamo Central School, SDO, Isabela. Okay. Si Martin naman ay gumamit ng ratio and proportion to find the total number of visitors. Wow, galing!
na-apply nila yung mga lessons talaga natin, Tutor Mel. Okay.
Yes.
And last two, Tutor Mel. Si We also have Gerald R.V. Dula Cantor, grade 6 Pluto ng San Pedro Villa Concepcion Elementary School, SDO Isabela. Ayan, kahit walang picture si Gerald, alam nating yakang-yakan niya yan. Yung mga pinapagawa natin. And last but not the
Yes.
least, Tutor Mel,
Yes! Congratulations to Adrian Ray Rivera ng Grade 6 Pluto of San Pedro Villa Concepcion Elementary School, SDO, Isabela. Wow! That's true. Kaya sila ang mga matsayahit matganggadling na mga tutis natin, Tutor Tolen.
congratulations everyone for your next Gawa Ko Post Ko Challenge. Ayan, congratulations mga anak. Post a video or picture. Ayan. Of you completing the table. Make sure that your final answer is correct and answer the question asked. When you reveal the answer to the question, place the given percent, decimal, and fraction equivalent on it and model it in your video or picture. Kasi Tutor Mel, kaya it, bagay ang sagot dun sa ating problem for this 2 week. Ayan.
Okay.
Ano ba yung problem natin na ibibigay, Tutor Mel?
Yes, kids. Reveal the answer to the question. So, what goes up when the rain comes down? So, all you have to do, kids, is to write the percentage equivalent to the following fractions and decimals. And then use the grid to locate the letter that matches each answer. So, the answer to the question will read across the tables. Wow, ganda nito, Tutor
So,
Tolen.
bagay siya, Tutor Mel, bagay. So,
Yes.
yung mga given problem natin, ilalagay nila dun sa bagay na yon. Which is, yun yung sagot dun sa what goes up when the rain comes down.
Wow.
So, thank you so much for your support and participation. Good luck, everyone. So, we would like to leave you our message for this week. DepEd ETUlay and yours truly, your tutors. DepEd as plus you multiply with your smile minus the drama, a fraction of your heart, we will be able to solve problems because we make the perfect equation. So kids, remember to give your 101%. Sobrahan natin. 101% for whatever you do, and always do it with your whole heart and a smile. So we want to salute DepEd ETUlay for finding ways to help all learners continue learning despite this pandemic. We may be divided by the screen in front of us, but DepEd ETUlay will always find a way to attain our one goal. And that is itulay ang pag-aaral ng lahat. Sabi nga ng DepEd, no student should be left behind. Kahit iba-iba pa ang ating division, pero iisa lang ang hangarin natin, sulong edukalidad, and God is our greatest Savior. Kahit iba-iba ang paniniwala at pananampalataya natin, sabi nga ng nasa taas, I love you because you are my children, because I am you.
All right, that's correct, Tutor Tolan. With our Lord's guidance and divine providence, maitulay natin ang pagkatuto ng mga bata kahit nasa kanilang mga bahay tayo. So mga kids, magkita-kita tayo every Wednesday, 10:30 to 11 a.m. for our grade 4 to grade 6 math remediation program. You can watch us live via our Facebook pages, DepEd ETUlay, DepEd EdTech Unit, DepEd Philippines, and DepEd Tayo. You can also watch us simultaneously and has a replay in our YouTube channels, DepEd ETUlay, DepEd Philippines, DepEd EdTech Unit, and DepEd TV.
Tongue twister talaga, no, Tutor Mel? And of course, for your feedback, you can scan this QR code for your ETUlay feedback experience or type on your web browser, https://tinyurl.com/ETUlay feedback form or scan the code. Kaya mga kids, mabilis lang ang araw. Kaya halina't mat-aral, mat-tuto, at mat-enjoy.
Daghang salamat sa pag-tune in at panunood ng aming episode this week. Kami ang inyong math sayahing tutors every Wednesday, 10:30 to 11 a.m. Up next, storytelling K-3 nila Tutor Romary and Tutor Julius Beth. Muli, ako si Tutor Mel.
At ako naman si Tutor Tolan. As we always say,
Hashtag
happy lang always.
Always.
Bye kids. See you
Thank
next
you.
week.
Goodbye, kids.
Thank you.
Ang husay naman. Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama yung mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang ETUlay level up. Huwag aalis ha, dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan. Dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutor. Happy learning sa ETUlay.